Before we get into the video, I just want to quickly be real with you. If you go into YouTube and type in ways to save money, you probably get 1,000 different results from videos made within the last 6 months. So what I'm about to share with you is not necessarily the correct thing to do. This is just the way that we have done it and the way we have been successful. Enjoy. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So point number one is going to be the most obvious thing, and that is eating out. I think the most obvious reasons for us eating out would be that it's cheap, it's convenient, and it's everywhere. My biggest reason for eating out is because I'm lazy. In this space, I'd say in Dubai, like in the block that I live in, there's probably 3 buildings, and within those 3 buildings, there's about 10 different food outlets. So it's everywhere, it's inevitable, and because I'm lazy, that's why I eat out. Over the last few years, however, I've tried my best with Priya, my wife, to stop eating out as much and start eating at home. I know that's a lot easier said than done, but we made an effort because we knew that was going to be the easiest way for us to save more money. In the beginning, don't get me wrong, because we were eating out so often, 5-6 times a week, what we decided to do was, instead of going cold turkey and just going to 0 and cooking every single day, we did it in stages. So first we cut it down to probably 2 or 3 times a week, and then maybe just once a week. And now it's probably, I think, once every 2.5 weeks, so maybe twice a month at most, that we eat out, and we've managed to save a lot of money here because of that. Point number 2 is going to be subscriptions. Netflix, Spotify, YouTube. I mean, who wants to be watching a video and have to stop halfway because an ad is playing? Or be on the bus and not able to select a specific artist that you want to listen to or station that you want to listen to. So instead, just pay a couple of dollars and then you are able to not go through all that turmoil. But what we've done is, and again, I'm not saying go cold turkey, but just consider what's actually important, and if you could minimize those subscriptions. For example, we still have Netflix because we love Netflix, and that's our way of just getting away from everything and just enjoying our time together. But YouTube Premium, for example, we've done away with that. Amazon Prime, we've done away with that. Spotify, we actually only subscribed to Spotify for I think about 2 months, and then we realized, you know what, it's a small fee that we don't actually need to be paying for, and invest instead rather in the company through the stock market than actually paying them for a silly subscription. Going to the grocery store is going to be point number 3. So Priya and I, we love going to the supermarket because you can just walk down the aisle with your trolley and you're picking up all your sweets and your chocolates and your snacks that you're going to be eating while you're enjoying watching Netflix or enjoy watching me on YouTube. But what we quickly realized is we're spending a lot of money unnecessarily and buying a lot of things unnecessarily. Now what we do is we make a list and we go into the supermarket and just focus on getting those things specifically. I mean, there's the biggest supermarkets here in Dubai. They also have like a food section or cooked food section, and that's where we spend so much time looking through the window and saying, oh, I want to eat that, I want to get this, and I want to get that. We're not even hungry, but we end up getting it. So now we just avoid that section. We don't even go there. We just get what we need, follow our grocery list, and we save a lot of money that way. So going forward now with point number 4, and that is about fast fashion. So the world that we live in right now, we are bombarded with social media. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, the list goes on. There's a social pressure almost to be trendy and up to date and fashionable and cool and relevant. And that's caused a lot of us, including myself at some stage in my life, to buy a lot of clothes. So one thing that I did or did not do was I stopped buying clothes, and I think it was for about a year, and I moved forward with my new strategy of, before I purchase it, I think to myself, is it versatile, is it practical, and is it timeless? Now this probably has cost me more money, because now instead of buying 5 t-shirts, I just buy 1 t-shirt of good quality, but I know it's going to be long lasting and sustainable. So the last thing on my list, point number 5 of the things that I don't do anymore, that is, I'm sure you guys all know it, is I don't use my credit card anymore. So credit cards are extremely important because it's one way of building up your credit score, but it's also very, very frustrating because it gets a lot of us into debt. Credit cards give us the sense of, oh no, I've got money, I can buy this, I can buy the latest iPhone or the latest this, iPad, whatever, and we just use our credit card, but we actually don't have the money. We've managed to pay off all our debt. Priya and I are debt free. If you don't know how to go debt free, we use the 7 Baby Steps by Dave Ramsey. So if you don't know about that, please check my video out. I just posted that video. And now we actually don't use our credit card. We don't use the plastic anymore. Actually, we do use plastic. We use our debit cards. We don't use our credit cards. When we know we're going to make big purchases, we just start saving up beforehand. For example, our wedding, our holidays, Christmases, birthdays. We just start saving early and we know we have enough cash to pay for it without getting into debt. That brings an end to the video, guys. I hope it has helped you even just a little bit. These 5 steps have helped us save a ton of money over the past few years. If you have any other ideas or any tips, please comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button as well if you like the video. And I'll see you guys next week.